Hello students, welcome back to the lesson. Now students, today we are going to start with the word problems related to percentage. So students, now let's check out the solution for the next set of questions. And the next set of question given here is, in KBC, Rahul won 12,50,000 rupees. So in the game of KBC, Rahul, how much Rahul has won? He won 12,50,000 rupees. Now, if he paid 33% as income tax, now this all money is not his, but he has to pay some income tax on that money, and the percentage of income tax he paid is 33%. So 33% of the amount he has to pay as income tax. After that, you have to find what is his prize money. So how much he actually get in hand after paying the income tax, that you have to find out. So let's check out the solution. And the solution, very first we will be writing the things which are given to us. So money won. How much money he won? He won rupees 12,50,000. So 12,50,000 is the total money which he won. After that, how much he has to pay as income tax? So the next statement will be the percentage of income tax. So income tax percent is actually 33%. How much he has to pay? 33% as income tax to the government. Now, since percentage of income tax is given to you, so what we will be finding next? We will find the amount which he paid to the government as tax. So income tax amount. So let's check out how much he paid as income tax. So income tax amount is equals to 33% of money won. That means 33% of the total money, which is 12,50,000. Solving up the value 33 upon 100 at the place of multiply, and then 12,50,000. Two of the zeros cancelled here. So what we are left with, we have to multiply 33 with 12,500. We have to multiply 33 with 12,500. So when you will be multiplying it here, you will get the value as 4,12,500. So how much is the amount which he paid as tax to the government? 4,12,500 rupees. Now this is the amount which he paid to the government, and what we have to find? His prize money. So in the next step, his prize money is equals to the total money which he won, 12,50,000, minus the money, or you can say the amount which he paid as a tax, which is 4,12,500 rupees. When you will do the subtraction of these two numbers, let's perform the subtraction here. 12,50,000 minus 4,12,500. So when you will subtract here, 0, 0, this will become 10, 9 and 4. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 1, 3, and 12 minus 4 is 8. So how much money he get in hand? 8,37,500. This is the total prize money which he got in his hand. Clear students? So this is our third set of question. Now next, the last question which we are going to discuss, and the question says a bracelet is made up of gold and diamonds. So there is a bracelet which is actually made up of gold and diamonds. If the weight of the bracelet is 10 gram, the total weight of the bracelet is 10 gram and 89% is gold out of that 10 gram of weight, 89% of the portion, or you can say the 89% of the metal is actually gold. What is the weight of the diamonds? So you have to find, if 89% is of gold, then what is the weight of diamonds? So let's check out the solution. So your solution will begin like this. Very first, what is the total weight of the bracelet? The total weight of bracelet is 10 gram. Right, students? So the total weight of the bracelet is given as 10 gram. After this, how much percent is of gold? So percentage of gold. So gold percentage is 89%. So very first we will be finding how much is the weight of gold in that 10 gram of bracelet. So weight of gold in bracelet is equals to 89% of 10 gram. 89% of 10 gram. Let's check, find out the value. 89 upon 100 multiply by 10 gram. Solving up here, one of the zero get cancelled. So the weight of the gold is, putting a decimal after one place, the weight of gold is 8.9 gram. So out of 10 gram of bracelet, 8.9 gram is the weight of gold. What do you have to find? You have to find the weight of the diamond. So if the bracelet is of 10 gram and weight of the gold in that bracelet is 8.9 gram, what will be the weight of diamonds? Yes, weight of diamonds is equals to total weight, which is 10 gram, minus the weight of gold, which is 8.9 gram. So 10 gram minus 8.9 gram will give you 1.1 gram. So 1.1 gram of diamonds are there in that 10 gram of bracelet. Understood, students? So today we have discussed some very important questions related to percentage word problems. I hope the lesson today in which we have discussed these word problems and their solution is clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a great day.